having issues. Our fan's not turning on our outdoor AC unit, and I just went ahead and turned off the AC. It's really hot right now, so it's been trying to rotate and hasn't been able to spin all night, and then the house is getting warm. But I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to fix this. So we're going to go ahead and remove this panel, but before that, undo the electricity. So down here. Two screws. These are flathead screws. Okay, we undid those two screws. Go ahead and slide this panel down. Grab one of these testers, turn it on, make sure there's no electricity. Okay, so we're good. I have an outdoor capacitor. So I just removed that screw that was holding that bracket. Now we're going to undo these wires. So undo these and put this one up in this place. Make sure it's rated the same. Fan goes into the fan. To secure this. Put this one back in. Most of the time it's either the capacitor or the motor. Put this cover back on. Now we're gonna go ahead and everything's back in over there. Go ahead and plug this back in. Make sure it's the correct direction. And one fluid motion. All right, so that's in. Put this panel back in. Close this. Right, plugged everything back in. Go ahead, test it out. Inside unit's on, and outside unit is on. All right, we're back in business. It worked. So earlier this wasn't rotating at all, and the motor was really hot. It must have been trying to spin all night, rotate all night, but it wasn't able to. But I'm gonna go ahead and order a replacement motor too, just in case the motor goes out. But that's all that's really to it. to show you guys how to test this. So turn it on, and let's go ahead and turn it to ohms. We're going to set it to 2000K. And then here's our capacitor. This one's a new replacement, but the old one won't read correctly. So we can touch this to this. You can see how the number is counting upwards. It's going to keep counting upwards, and then it'll max out and let us know that it's working. Okay, so it maxed out, it worked. So it's doing what it's supposed to. And then now we do this with the fan. Same thing. Do you see how it's climbing up? There, so it's working. Alright, well, if you have a bad one, then it won't register anything. It won't climb like that. So let's go ahead and discharge it. So turn this off. We'll go ahead and okay, so now it's good, ready to go. So this is a good one.